What up, beautiful people? It's your main man here, Lawrence from LOfitnez. Today I'll show you how to do the rope jacks. The rope jacks is a jump rope version of the jumping jacks. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, please subscribe and don't forget to give us a thumbs up. The rope jacks is a good warm-up exercise that activates your body for any workout section. It also builds your strength, your stability and flexibility. So without further ado, let's get to it.
Let us begin this tutorial with the normal jumping jacks. Make sure your legs are nicely stretched out, making an imaginary triangle with the floor. Avoid making this mistake. I don't know what it is called. This is not the right jumping jacks. Practicing this with the rope, make sure you remember your footwork. Footwork is key when it comes to this move. So let's practice with few jumps. Jump and split open, make sure your legs are nicely stretched, making that imaginary triangle with the floor while you jump over the rope. Avoid making this mistake. I don't know what it is called. This is not the right jumping jacks. I advise you to keep practicing it the right way so you get the best result out of it. There you have it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Remember, patience and right practice makes perfect. So if you find any part of this tutorial challenging, let us know in the comment section. Subscribe, start skipping like a pro, and hit the notification button so you don't miss out on our new content. Remain beautiful, be handsome, stay fit, and most importantly, be healthy. Take care of yourself, guys. Enjoy.